In this video, we will demonstrate how you can see your API responses of integrations in the timeline. At first, create a new integration if not, and in conditional logics, set it when to run it. Then go to your form and submit it to run the integration. As you can see, the record is added in the Zoho Sheet as we configured. Now let's see the response in bit form. Click on the record, go to Related Info. There will be a button to show integration logs. Here, you will see every detail of integration, if it was a success or error response. If there are multiple API responses, then it will also show it individually. Let us demonstrate it to you. Also, it works for edit responses too. You do not have to again go to your application to see if that worked or not. You can check all your API responses to bit form from now on. Thanks for watching.